Hello everyone, welcome to Express Brand Team's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about the Mexican League match between FC Juarez and Querétaro FC. So, these two teams are badly out of form and will be desperate to end their wait for a win as they go head to head in this clash. Juarez are without a win in their last 5 Liga MX matches, while it is 7 games for Querétaro. The visitors have lost their last 3, but perhaps more telling is their away record, which shows they have failed to win any of their 8 on the road so far this season. Toluca, on the other hand, have lost just 2 of their 7 home games, so the hosts should be able to collect at least a point from this clash, and if there is to be a winner, it is likely to be them. So, we predict a 1-0 win or 1-1 draw in this match in favor of home team Juarez. Now let's take a look at the predicted lineup for Juarez. In goalkeeper position, E. Pelos is expected to start the match. Luis Lopez, Luis Lopez, D. Velasquez, actually I couldn't find him here. M. Oliveira, H. Marine, and Gustavo Velasquez. So this is the defensive lineup for Juarez. Now coming to the midfield position, we have coming to the position A. Mendoza, J. Esquivel, Contreras, and M. Fernandez. So this is the four-man midfield who is expected to start the match. In striker load, we have Menon and Lesgano. So this is the team expected lineup for FC Juarez. Now let's take a look at the lineup for Querétaro. In goalkeeper position, Bravo is expected to start the match. In defensive positions, Cervantes, J. Velasquez, and Pablo Mesa. This is the defensive lineup for Querétaro FC. In midfield position, they are expected to include 4 midfielders. In midfielders role, they have Madrigal, Perlaza, Montes, and Sepulveda. So these four players are expected to play in midfield position. In strikers role, Bethencourt will be expected to start in center striker role. Arellano and Ramirez. So these are the three players who will be leading the attack in this match. Now coming to the demo team, number of goals are expected to be very less. It should be a, low goal affair in this match. So it will be better if you go with four defenders. So we will be selecting Velasquez, Velasquez, sorry, from Juarez we will be selecting V Velasquez, Oliveira, Mendoza, and from Querétaro we will be selecting Cervantes. Goalkeeper we will be going with Bravo. In strikers role we will be going with Manon and Lescano, along with Contreras. Contreras is a very good player actually. He is selected by only few people only, but he will be, if he is gonna start the match. We think that he can make uh, very good contribution to the game. So we are taking risk with him. We will be including him. Now coming to the uh, Querétaro team, as I said, we will be selecting Bravo as our goalkeeper, and we have already selected Mendoza. Now coming to the striker section, we will be selecting Sepulveda and and Arellano along with Ramirez. So this is our demo team for tonight's match with tomorrow's match between Juarez and Querétaro. Now the captain options are as shown, as you can see. Lescano is a very good option and he will be the captain for almost all of your opponents. We will be selecting Velasquez as our vice captain. So this is our demo teams. You can you can select Arellano as your vice captain also. He is also a good choice. V Manon is also another alternative option. So this is our demo team. Hope all of you will all of you will subscribe our channel. For you as you all of you know that the coverage for Liga MX matches are very less. So please subscribe our channel. We will be giving all the tips and latest news on our Telegram channel. Thank you very much.